Hi everyone, I'm Alessandro and welcome back to Il Dolce for Niente. Today we are in Calenzano, a small town close by Florence. Welcome to Villa Simonetta, an authentic 19th century haven, a breath from Florence and a gentle step back in time. This is a real home, not an hotel in disguise. You come here to feel well, not to tick boxes. Within the 4,000 square meters garden, hedges and scrubs form in a quiet stage, and beyond the gate the city waits, shops and trattoria within the easy walk. Yet inside the fence, can you hear the hush in the countryside? The house flows over 2,020 square meters across 2 stories, a sitting room with a fireplace and a dining room that flavor long, unhurried meals and reading snug that ask for the whispers, and the kitchen ready for the Tuscan recipes, without the fuss of fine dining. There is an air conditioning in the living areas and all bedrooms, and the lower ground level, with the second kitchen and laundry, the invisible stage management of a good holiday. Outdoors, a veranda for alfresco lunches and an outdoor lounge designed for falling in love with sunset. Then the lead character, the 3x7-meter pool set in greenery, ringed by laurel hedge for complete privacy. You hear only water, ice chiming in the glass and the breeze moving in the cypresses. The rest can wait. Call it an 1850 villa and you'd be right. But above all it is a house that wears its history lightly. Its bones are those of Tuscan Leopoldina, clean volumes, quiet symmetry, generous heights, and that open central staircase which now choreographs domestic life. From 1960 to 2010, the present family lived here. What followed were thoughtful, staged renovations, classic materials, quality finishes, just enough technology. And from 2017, the doors opened to the guests. There is no make-believe scenography. Wooden floors, high ceilings, real antiques. Beauty doesn't shout, it whispers. And Leopoldina is like this, functional, honest, elegant by subtraction. Born of agricultural rhythms, it's sweet to the eyes, longing for quality and simplicity. And here simplicity has the courage of the detail. A door that closes through, morning light that enters wide, a table that sits ten as if it were the most natural thing in the world. It was Simoneta, a landscape architect and former owner, who shaped the grounds in the post-war years, imprinting the place with their personal eye. The result is an Italianate garden with liberty and neoclassical cues. No mannerism, just soft synced linens, misread clipping and voids that count as much as the greens. Among the rows appear plum and apricot trees. Olive trees carve the afternoon, and maritime pane draws a long, generous shade. A cypress stands like exclamation marks the history that refuse to rush. Everything converges on a ritual's idleness. Breakfast beneath the veranda, a private coffee in the outdoor lounge, sun on the chaiselongs, and aperitivo on the right moment. You know it by the color of the sky, not the clock. There's a parking for 3-4 cars, but thankfully the car can rest. Florence is simple by bus, stop a few meters away, just 30 minutes walking, or train from Calenzano, 2.5 kilometers. For day trips, you're perfectly placed for Tuscany's classics, Lucca, Pisa and Siena, and for players there's a bonus ride on the doorstep. Directly opposite the villa is a tennis center with 3 courts, 1 clay and 2 synthetic. We can pre-book slots and arrange ranked balls on request. On the ground floor, a drawing room, fireplace, 2 sofas, TV opens to a dining room for 10. To the side, a small salon perfect for reading or low-voiced gossip. The kitchen is fully fitted: oven, microwave, fridge, toaster, kettle and dishwasher, coffee machine. Not a stage set, a workhorse of pleasure. Also on this level, a king bedroom with private shower room plus a guest WC. Upstairs, the sleeping floor comprises king suite with ensuite, bath plus walk-in shower, 2 king bedrooms sharing the family bathroom, bath plus separate multifunctional shower with chemotherapy, hydromassage and Turkish bath, and 1 twin, joinable with adjacent shower room. Everything is air-conditioned and the amenities are the right ones: Hi-Fi, DVD, satellite TV, no frills, just substance. Here, luxury is made of proportion, light, quiet and order. What you have is a high domestic standard, true privacy and assured you wish. Camisa is essential to make good things happen without bettering the spirit of the place. Here, Dolce far niente is method, not whim. Start with simple rituals: open the shutters, listen to the birds, sleep into the pool when the sun is kind. Return for a steamy shower, yes, there is a Turkish bath. Call someone you love, cook a proper pomodoro pasta. And when the city calls, Florence is right there. Duomo, Uffizi, Oltrarno, or turn the wheel towards Mugello. Scarperia, Palazzo dei Vicari, International Circuit, Lake Bilancino for canoa, sailing and windsurf. Back home and the mantra resumes: slow is better. A plate of fruit, plums and apricots from the garden, when the season is generous, and a book that doesn't insist on being finished. The sun dips, the laurel hedge frames the view, and the breeze does the rest. You realize nothing is missing. In truth, il dolce far niente is a skill, choosing not to choose for a while, listening to how house breathes, and granting yourself one morning without an itinerary, an afternoon by the pool, and an evening to the porch counting the silences. The Leopoldina has learned over the century and a half how to last. In a week you learn how to slow down. And when you close the gate, you won't take away souvenirs. You take away measures that rat measure of time, light and quiet. And let's be honest, a secret we should return, because a few houses adopt of you. Villa Simonetta is one of them. Thank you very much to join today Il Dolce Far Niente, and see you in the next episode.